Hello friends, welcome to today's session on arithmetic progressions. In this session I am going to explain fifth question for you from exercise 5.2, page number 106, chapter 5, arithmetic progressions. So let's read the question first. Find the number of terms in each of the following APs. So he has given an arithmetic progression series. We have to find out the total number of terms in this series. So what is this AP? 7, 13, 19, so on till 205. 205 is the last term in this arithmetic progression. We do not know the number of terms in this arithmetic progression. So let us assume there are n terms in this series. Then the last term becomes nth term, right? So an becomes 205. We know the formula of an, right? What is the formula of an? An is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Here we know the value of an, which is 205. We can calculate the values of a and d from this series, and by substituting the values of a and d in this equation, we can solve for n. So let's calculate the values of a and d. A is equal to, first term is equal to 7, d is equal to, common difference is equal to a2 minus a1, that equals to 13 minus 7, that equals to 6. Now I'll substitute the values in this equation. 7 plus n minus 1 into 6 is equal to 205. N minus 1 into 6 is equal to 205 minus 7, that is equal to 198. N minus 1 is equal to 198 divided by 6, that equal to 6 3s are 18, 6 3s are 18, 33. That implies n is equal to 33 plus 1, that equals to 34. So the n value is 34. So how many terms are there in this series? There are 34 terms in this series. Let's move to the second part of the question. This is also similar to the first question. Because we do not know how many terms are there in this series, let us assume that there are n terms in this series. Then the last term an becomes minus 47. An is equal to minus 47. And the formula of an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So the value of a is equal to, the first term 18, common difference d is equal to 15 1 by 2 minus 18, that equal to 15 2s are 31 by 2 minus 18, that equals to 31 minus 36 by 18, that equals to minus 5 by 2. So the common difference is minus 5 by 2. Now I will substitute a, d and an values in this equation, and solve for n. So a is 18 plus n minus 1 into d is minus 5 by 2 is equal to minus 47. So n minus 1 into minus 5 by 2 is equal to minus 47 minus 18, that equals to minus 65. So n minus 1 is equal to, so minus minus gets cancelled on both the sides, 65 into 2 by 5, 5 1s 5 13s, 13 2s are 26. So n is equal to 26 plus 1, that is equal to 27. So how many terms are there in this series? There are 27 terms in this series. Hope this is clear. I'll explain the problem once again. So here he has given an arithmetic progression series, that is a definite AP, that is he has given the last term in the series as minus 47. We have to find out the total number of terms in this series. Because we do not know how many terms are there in this series, we will assume there are n terms in this arithmetic progression. Then the last term becomes an is equal to minus 47. We know the formula of an, right? An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Here we know the value of an and we can calculate the values of a and d from this series. By substituting the values of a and d, we can solve for n value. In this way, we got the value of n as 27. So there are 27 terms in this series. Hope this is clear. Please leave your feedback in the comment section below. And you can refer to other videos for more solved questions in this exercise. Until then, see you.